Hello student once again I am with you students. So today we are going to discuss about democratic politics, class 9th and lesson 2nd. So the name of your lesson is student constitutional design. In first lesson we have to understand, you have discussed about democracy, and in second lesson we will try to understand what is constitutional design. And first about that we will discuss something which was position present in South Africa. So student, a word apartheid. Apartheid, it is the system which was present once in South Africa. There were many type of differences on the base of race, gender and classes. The people who were to their age some limited, they were feel to South African people's age inferiors. They were feel, they say they are white peoples and other peoples which are age, they can say they are local persons. They was age in majority also. They has been age inferior of black peoples. This position was to there in the 1948 to 1994. So many times students. This system was called as apartheid. Your lesson is constitutional design. What is the means? What is the matter? Why it has been important to make a constitution to there? Actually, there were so many differences on the ground of race, religion, caste, community, society to South Africa between so many long times. Black people, white peoples, some limited people feels we are superior. Other everybody are inferior, they are black peoples. That means as a very, very special discrimination was present to their students. So, we will try to understand a fact of your lessons. What is the means? Why concerning we are discussing to this topic about South Africa. Now students, second point we try to understand discrimination. Discrimination already we have discussed in many times. Different type of distances. For example, you can say in here also as a superior or inferior. One society is one religion, one group say we are superior, we are other religions, other people are other lowest caste or religions, so they are inferior. This system is called as the discrimination. So students, the position was as a discrimination was in our country also before independence to our country. But nowadays system has been changed after getting our constitution. We feel now we all are free, we all are equal. There has been no any type of differences on the ground of the religions, race, group, society, caste, so and so students. So in here now any type of no description, no discrimination. So we will try to come on your lessons topic. Why so many point has been given in this lesson? Actually, in this lesson we will try to understand which types of constitution should be present, which types of constitution should be made, which may be best for manage, for control society or country system. So students, next topic we are going to discuss about segregation. Segregation is also as a differences, distances. That means one groups live in other place, other group live in other place. Other societies, other religions, hospital, school, picnic places and bus, trains, every systems to be separate from other religions or other group. This system is called as a segregation. Distances. So students, it is also a part of person to know equality of any place. It was positioned also to that place about which country we are going to discussing about, you can say South Africa. There were everything was difference to the person black people and other people who was white peoples. Every facilities, hospital, schools, trains, bus, everything was separate to the black peoples and white peoples. This you can say as a system of segregation. It is the how you can say good or bad in any constitutional or unconstitutional system. So students, other topic we are going to discuss in this lesson, that is what is the importance of constitution. It is the main thing. We are going to discuss already 3 topic which has been told to you. It is good or bad. That means apartheid which was in South Africa, it was good or bad. And discrimination which was before independent of our country, it was good or bad. And segregation, it was also present to there in South Africa. What was the position? People up to there, black people, and why white people saying I cannot live with you. So it was system of segregation, that was good or bad. So students, people feel that new constitution should be made in any place where this such as bad facilities, bad systems, bad tradition or customs to be present to any place or any peoples between. So new constitution is important for these matters. People feel inferiority complex because other people are superior. Under other peoples they fear inferior. Superior people cannot live with he. Superior people don't use a same glass utensils or any tip related any items you can say. They don't like to live the people who are other inferiority group. This system is called such as bad system. For improving that, for prevent these facilities, a special constitution should be important to that place, to our country or in any other country. So students, this was topic which we have to discuss today. Now it was first part of second lesson of class 9th. Now students, second part we will discuss some other topic also related this lesson. Thank you students.